Hey girlfriend, so we are in the kitchen as per usual. That's where we've been meeting up lately, you know what I'm saying? So I came back. I'm about to actually fix me some breakfast. Let me do this. Girl, okay. I be forgetting about this little lighting situation. The light up above me is horrible light when I be trying to film. So let's do this. Let's back you up, So girl, so I'm about to fix me something to eat, even though it's late. You know, I'll tell you I haven't had much of an appetite, but I had this I got this old-fashioned bacon the other day from the meat market when I went. And so I haven't had bacon in like 5 days. I haven't even had coffee lately because my taste buds just been off and stuff. But I think I'm gonna make me some bacon and some grits. That's what I got a taste for. I don't feel like no eggs today. But I want to show you something. This arrived for my birthday. Was it on my birthday or after? This is not a day over fabulous. How sweet is this? So this arrived from my friend Robin here on YouTube. Let me tell you, you can meet some wonderful people on YouTube, like that you just begin to converse back and forth with, and that you really get used to seeing on your videos, that you get used to chatting with, and all that kind of stuff. And it just really makes a difference to have friends that I have some friendships like really strong. And I would definitely say friendships, that you can create off of social media if everybody's mind is in the right place. And I tend to notice that unless you're in that beef section over there, y'all know what I'm talking about. A lot of times, to be genuine people, like I really am gonna be affiliated with genuine people. I don't do the drama and all that kind of stuff. So this is from Robin. Robin sent me a birthday gift. How sweet is that? Birthday gifts for sisters, moms, wives, spa box basket. And I had been wanting to share it, and I'm gonna put Robin's information. I think I shared one of her videos on my community tab. Please check my community tab because I be posting like different people videos and stuff like that, and I'm trying to get better. I really be slack when it comes to the community tab. I really need to do better, but that's one of my focuses, is to do better with that. I have been more consistently uploading videos, so I'm going to try to get better with using my community tab and communicating with you all. So please make sure you check there. So this is what this box looks like, and I know I can't smell it now because, of course, I got a cold. I can't smell nothing. But when I first got this box, I was like, oh my goodness, it smells so good. And yeah, my senses right now is just off. Like I can't smell nothing, to be honest. I only smell my bacon. As loud as that bacon used to be, I can't even smell it right now. But let's see, I might need my reading glasses, girl. Hold on, because I can't see my reading glasses. I hope these is the good ones because they sure ain't clean. But anyway, it says, especially for you. How pretty is that? That is a dried flower. Let me see. I'm going to open it up. I was really like, ooh, that is so pretty. But like, I haven't used it, yet. So I wanted to show it to you before I actually use it. It says, one day you and me sitting in the yard, listening to the memories of the elderly, romantic, and beautiful past. Oh, that is so sweet. It's just like, you can make it as a little card. I think that is really nice that I could see it to somebody. Or actually put it in my scrapbook or something like that. I definitely need one of these, girl. I'm about to go on vacation. I'm going to take this with me. I might take this whole little set with me and just have like a little spa day to myself, I might tell everybody just go ahead on and do their thing one day. But I'm definitely taking this stuff. And I love this cup. This cup is, I'm definitely taking this with me on vacation because this is a nice cup. Look, not a day over fabulous. You better do it, girl. Yes, so this one, it has this little, opening where you can drink it through there. You can also put a straw in it, and you can also cap it off right there. Oh yeah, this is definitely going with me to the beach. I love this. Thank you so much, Robin. I really appreciate this. Oh yeah. I got a little whimper of a sit. I thought, girl, I got to be real deep, but yeah, this is cute. So I'm going to take this with me. See, two things I'm taking to the beach. This is the Diamond Soap Pure Manual Plant International Fashion Fragrance. I can't smell my nose, but I definitely know I smelled it when I first got the box. Like I could smell the whole box, and which I'm sure the box still has a scent. It's just I can't smell it. But that is so cute. Well, I love this. This color blue is so pretty. And we also got, what did I get in here? Is this a candle? Oh, I can smell that candle a little bit. Oh, yes. What you don't know, Robert, is that I like to take personal candles with me when I go like to the beach or out of town or anywhere. I just like to have like little small candles. So I will be taking this with me as well to the beach. So a lot of items are going to make, oh, let me show it to you, girl. It says, only for you, handmade candle, aromatherapy, Spirita or something like that. But how cute is that? This is really cute to actually take on a trip. It's small, just small enough. So I'll probably take this one and another one actually from my collection. I see a bath bomb in here, which I don't know. I might take that. This is a set. I could really take the whole set, to be honest. And here, what are these? Probably some salts, maybe. Let's open this up. Oh, how cute is this? Yes, that is so cute. So these are actually bath salts. And there's some actually spilled out in here so I can put back. But isn't that cute? Love 100%. This is so adorable. And I will tell you, this is an excellent box to purchase somebody for their birthday. Because when I first saw this box, girl, I smiled so hard. I was like, oh my God, this is so nice. But I didn't want to like go through and unbox it till I actually unbox it with you, girl. So I just wanted to show you what my friend Robin got me. I appreciate it, girl. You know, it's just so nice to for someone when they send you little gifts, you know, do a little something special for you, make you feel so nice and warm my heart so much. Thank you, Robin. Robin is such a doll. Oh my goodness. She and I don't know, we probably started following each other maybe last year. And last year, maybe the year before, it might have been a couple of years now. And you know, we often like comment on each other videos and stuff like that, but she is such a sweetheart. But let me tell you something. Robin is the subscription queen, honey. If you want to know something about some subscription boxes or some good boxes to get, or you know, you just want to check them out, go check out her channel, because Robin, she gets, I'm like, how the heck does she get that many boxes? But I think it's so cute. She's always giving away something. She's a sweetheart, though. She has giveaways all the time. She always talks about just, you know, giving stuff away. That's kind of me. You know what I'm saying? It's better to give than to receive. But when you do receive, it's so sweet. But, girl, let's see. I'm hungry. I've been drinking apple juice and water for 5 days. Like, for real. Ugh. Not my Donald Duck apple juice, but actually the Mott's, M-O-T-T-S apple juice. I actually like that juice a lot. So, girl, did you get anything for, what you call it? Thank you, Robin. Did I say, I know I said thank you, thank you, girl. Appreciate it. She about to go on vacation. So she could be gone for a few months. So, hopefully she'll show up, vlog and show us what she be doing on vacation. But did you order anything from Amazon? From, you know, today starts Amazon Prime. I ordered, I needed another Ring doorbell. So I got one for my garage area door. People be breaking in cars and stuff everywhere. I don't care what kind of neighborhood you live. You can live in the suburbs, the rural area, the city. It don't matter, child. And it's always teenagers. They be going all in these cars, child. So, everywhere. I don't care where you live, like I said. So, so I got some to go on my garage door downstairs. And I needed one more camera. So I ordered another camera. I ordered like 1 o'clock in the morning. Girl, it was here like 11 o'clock this morning, 10 o'clock, something like that. Girl, Amazon is not playing. I'm trying not to order nothing else because I really don't need nothing else. But I have gotten a few things because your girl is trying to really take my vlogging to the next level, take my channel to the next level. I so appreciate y'all hanging out with your girl. I appreciate all the love you've been giving your girl. I always like to, it's so many of you that I have been rocking with for a very long time. I owe so many videos. I know I owe someone a perfume video that will be coming up. I gotta sit down and get that together. I have some swimsuits. Oh, I want to show you my swimsuits. I'm not just gonna sit down and do hauls. I'm gonna incorporate them into my vlogging because why not? You know what I'm saying? Like, individual hauls sometimes, I don't know. I guess they're okay. Maybe I will. I don't know. But anyway, I need to show you my bathing suits. I don't think I'm gonna do a try on. I'm not really feeling my best. I'm not like, all the way. I haven't even like feeling my stitch fix for the month, but I do like it. I think I will keep everything, but I'll probably film it next week when I come back. But I do want to show you my bathing suits because I got some really great deals. I ordered all my bathing suits this time from Amazon because honestly, they were cheap and I ordered too many. I really need to decide if I'm gonna keep them or if I'm gonna send them back. But I probably won't do no try-ons, and not right now. Maybe later, I don't know. But I'm gonna show you what I got though, because I got quite a few of them. I'm gonna send one back because it is too big, but I'll show it to you. So let me cut and eat, and then I'll probably come back with the Amazon swimsuit haul. So I don't know if I'm gonna incorporate it or I'm gonna make it a separate video. But anyway, girl, if I don't attach this video, be on the lookout for it and just watch it for me, okay? All right, girl. And share my videos. I really need you, girl. I need you to share my videos. If you got a home girl, because we all looking for somebody to hang out with. You know what I'm saying? Send her on over here, girl, so she can hang out with us and have a good time and trip out and stuff like that. Let me tell you this, though. So, girl, I have recently had some little videos where they're family videos, and I will tell you that our family, we have a good time with each other. When I say we really have a blast with each other. So when you see us and we're crunk and we having a good time, we just party together. We have a good time. Like our young adults, well, our kids, they're in their 30s, so they're not really that young, but they're in their 30s, and so we just enjoy each other. Our family is really, really close. We're really tight knit. We don't hang around a whole bunch of different people. Like now, our kids got friends. The boys are really more outgoing. They have a lot of friends. Like, and our daughters, they got friends, but we tend to all hang around each other. I think me and my sister don't really have friends. We got friends, but we just hang with family, My grandma taught us to really be close. We were always really a close-knit family, so we be together a lot. So you see us partying, having a good time. I might take a drink every once in a while. And girl, whether I'm drinking or not, I'm loud. I like to have a good time. And I'm just that auntie, I'm that mom that, we laugh and have a good time. I don't get drunk, but I did have a little bit too much to drink. 4th of July, I had 3 drinks, and 2 is my limit, but I had 3. And on that 3rd one, I was like, Teresa, you done did too much, right? But it wasn't over the top, but we had a good time. And I put that video up. It was a celebration, and we had the whole block on lock. But in my mom's neighborhood, that's how it is. Like, so many people buy a lot of fireworks, and I was just scared because after I set my backyard on fire, girl, I just was like, I don't know about no fireworks because your girl was so scared. If you didn't watch that video, you gotta watch that video because of where I showed you where I set the yard on fire. Oh my God. I thought it was the end of the world, like for real. I thought it was the end of the world. And I called my husband screaming and crying because, girl, the backyard, the fence, I thought I was about to burn our house down, my neighbor's house is down. I ain't burned that since then. I'm so serious. I haven't burned anything since then, and I will not be burning anything, I don't think. He told me I can't burn nothing else, and I don't want to burn nothing. I'm damn near scared to light the grill, girl. But anyway, But I will holler back at you shortly. I'm about to starve. It is 12:41 and I have not eaten today. I'm hungry. Plus I got a headache. Plus I need to see what is on Amazon Prime, girl. I ain't been able to really look like I need to look. I don't need S, but I'm ordering something, okay? I ain't spend no money for my birthday month, so it's July. My birthday is over, but we're gonna buy something. I don't know what yet, but we're gonna buy something. Hey girls, so the Amazon try-on was a bust. I just was not feeling it for this swimsuits, and you really can't see what they look like to me unless I try them on. So I wasn't feeling like trying them on. Maybe what I will do though is do some videos while I'm out of town so you can see them. But I resubscribed to the Ipsy. Well, it was, what was it, Glam Box, but now it's Ipsy Glam. I just want to show you real quick what I got this month. I used my box that I got last month all month long. I will be sharing those products with you because I definitely think that they are definitely worth sharing. My skin all last month was absolutely fabulous, and I'll show you what I used. So this was an add-on, the Trophy Skin Brighten MD Multi-Function Eye, Face, and Neck Tool. This is $25, and I wanted to try this. I have several tools. Some of them I use, some of them I slacked off using, but I'm going to be coming back and telling you what I feel about my box, because I plan to use every month that I get the box. I plan to use those items for the whole month, unless it's something I already have and I'm, you know, need to get rid of. So this is an oldie but goodie. This is the Origins Clear Improvement Active Charcoal Mask. This is an oldie but goodie. I have used it several times in the past, like use it all up. So I got it again this month. I actually chose this. So you can choose 3 items and the other ones they actually sent. I chose this Vitamin C by Rodale. And girl, I used the Vitamin C last month. It was a serum that absolutely was great. So this is the brightening cleanser I will be using for the month of July. I just got it today. It is July. So I will use it until August, whenever that is. So I think I chose the vitamin C. Then I also got the daily dose of vitamins A, B, and C, Balance and Detox by Skin Inc. So I will be incorporating this. So I'll let you know what I think about that. I got the, what's this? Well People Revitalizing Dew Snow Mushroom Eye Gel Cream. Girl, I'm all about anything to do with the eyes. So, yeah, we'll be utilizing this every month. I will, if they have an eye product that I could choose, I will choose it every month because I am really showing signs of aging in the under eye area, and I'm okay. I'm not stressing out about it or anything like that, but I will be choosing items to actually help in the under eye area. I also decided to pick up, I think I chose these, the ID, Dermastic, ID AZ Dermastic Gold Fit Mask. So I will be, yeah, I have masks, but I just wanted to try these out and see if I actually like these. I will let you know what my thoughts are. I already shown that, Pooh. I'll let you know what my thoughts are later on in the month, or actually next month, of the items that I have chosen. I'm actually going to do a tutorial on the products I had from last month because I just want you to see them, and I'm going to talk to you about them because they were dynamite. So be on the lookout for that.